Alright, just around this turn here is a road called IU Gap. So start to slow down because you will miss it. You'll miss it and you'll end up out on the reservation somewhere that you don't want to be. It's definitely pretty out here. So right here, IU Gap. Now you're wondering, how did I find this place? Well, they're building America's Home Place back here. Well, there was a house along here. I think we already passed it back there a little bit. There was a house that used to be a vacation rental back in the 90s. And we stayed there once. It was rural. Back then, this was really rural. IU Gap looks a little bit dirty today, but typically this road is very clean. So this route here just gets you off of 143 for a little bit. It's not any faster, but it does get you out in the countryside. You see something other than law enforcement and slow traffic trying to get to the Cherohala Skyway. That Ford F-150 we were behind at 20 miles an hour. That's kind of a rare, that's pretty rare. There's almost never any traffic on that road. There's usually no other vehicles on that road or this one. I can't say as I've ever been behind a vehicle on this road. So here's 143. We're gonna make us another left. And this should look familiar to you, because this is right before the bridge, before you start heading up to the mountain. There's the last place to pee before you get up on the Skyway. So this has to, if you've ever been on the Cherohala Skyway, this has to look familiar to you. All right, the next left takes you back into the Indian area, into like the reservation and stuff. And if you come busting through here, sometimes you'll see Cherokee police will be sitting here on the right there. Cherokee police are federal officers. Don't run from them. They do have radar. Don't run from them, I'm telling you. You see that SUV and it says Cherokee Police on the side of it. That doesn't mean they're police officers in Cherokee, North Carolina. They are. They're Cherokee Police everywhere where there's a Cherokee reservation. And pretty much all of this area, all the way down to Murphy, North Carolina, is Cherokee Indian Reservation. So we're kind of lucky. We have a North Carolina vehicle in front of us. I can't tell what the thing is on the side of it. Oh, it looks like we have more than one. Oh, that guy's Duke Energy in the Toyota. And then you always have to have a Subaru holding up everyone. Because Duke Energy and this county vehicle, they'd be flying down this road if there wasn't a Subaru holding up traffic. Y'all have been back in here. You know it's not typically this bad. But this time of year, there's always some tourist that's going to inconvenience you because they're on vacation. You see we picked up the pace, right? A Toyota pickup truck with the Duke Energy employee driving it can fly through these mountains. And if you ever want to see a fast driver, get behind somebody with a TVA tag or a TV tag, Tennessee Valley Authority. Those folks will move through here. Grandpa's got his Miata out. They must be doing like building inspection, electrical inspection or something. Alright, we're almost to the Cherohala Skyway. That sign said 2 miles.